What is collaboration? Why is it vital to our school's community? And how should we collaborate? Based on these questions, we began the challenge of creating a culture of collaboration on our campus. Although working with a very traditional, time-strapped group of faculty and students, we were able to set a foundation after raising awareness and then providing an outlet to make collaboration happen practically. Utilizing collaborative Web 2.0 tools and setting aside time for serious planning, we hosted activities and sessions that were based on faculty and student feedback as well as personal experience dealing with professional development. For the faculty portion, we organized several unorthodox sessions with a focus on sharing best practices and publishing the results to the World Wide Web. Having thus captured the faculty's initial attention, we created a website and blog for sharing resources and techniques. With the ground broken for future participatory and practical learning times, we believe that we were successful in laying a foundation. Positive comments were given by individual teachers, and the school's newly launched YouTube channel now accommodates lesson sharing and other resources. For the student aspect, we set the stage for a real-world experience in guiding and fostering empirical challenges also dealing with collaboration. Students identified appropriate challenges and executed viable solutions such as assisting the behaviors of promoting collaboration through compelling visual media and informal networking between students and teachers. We also believe this to be successful as the upper school students were exposed to heuristic opportunities that embody many principles of the lifelong learner. We believe the experience and practice were excellent tools for both faculty and students, although it was not as rich of an experience as we would have liked to have fostered. We were again reminded that change doesn't come easily, but setting an accessible structure and offering guidance and support through the challenge-based learning method seemed to have led to a greater consciousness of the importance of global contributions and a willingness to work together.
I learned that challenge-based learning is a very uniquely practical way of learning because it doesn't just require students to come up with answers to problems just to get an A in class. It requires them to come up with solutions for real-world issues that can actually be applied.
Collaboration is a process that takes time and the participation of the whole group to accomplish a goal. Doing so teaches us useful tools to apply in the real world.
And I really enjoyed just some of the things that we have done as far as small groups and large groups to throw ideas together to be able to use in different settings, say from a math class or a history class, and be able to use it for my Bible class. One such idea was to use a comic strip in order to see how the students are learning and being able to put it down on paper and not so much just on facts from a test, but to really be able to idealize it in picture and in dialogue. And I really enjoyed that. I actually got that from a math teacher. I was able to implement that into my Bible projects, and the students just did really well because they love to draw, and they also love to put it down on paper when it's not a test and it's not a quiz. I have some things to kind of fix out in that, but other things that that the teacher told me that gave me the idea have kind of helped me to develop it for the future. And also I've just appreciated getting other people's ideas because there's different levels of experience in teaching, whether it's many years or just 1 or 2 years, but everybody has something to give and to aid. Overall, it's been a really great experience for me to be able to go to those meetings and collaborate with my faculty, fellow faculty, and to be able just to get information that I otherwise wouldn't have just by myself.